Imagine the crisp winter air, the smell of roasted chestnuts, and the sound of church bells echoing through ancient streets. Welcome, adventurers, to Rome in winter. Picture yourself walking through a city steeped in history, where iconic landmarks are dusted with frost, and locals gather around food stalls, serving steaming delicacies. Anticipate unique winter events that bring a festive charm to the eternal city. So what do you think are the best places to visit in Rome during winter? Hold that thought and let's see if they match ours. Rome, a city steeped in history, transforms into a winter wonderland, making its iconic landmarks even more enchanting. Let's delve into some of these timeless architectural marvels, shall we? First, we have the Colosseum, a symbol of Roman grandeur. During winter, the crowds thin out, allowing you to truly appreciate its majestic presence. Imagine standing in the same place where gladiators once fought, with snowflakes gently falling around you. It's a sight to behold. Next, we journey to Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world. Winter casts a serene ambiance over this spiritual center. The grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica, lightly dusted with snow, is truly a divine sight. And the Vatican museums? They're less crowded, offering a more intimate glimpse into the vast collection of art and historical artifacts. Finally, we arrive at the Pantheon, one of the best preserved ancient Roman buildings. Its massive concrete dome, the largest unsupported dome in the world, is even more impressive when framed against a clear winter sky. And if you're lucky, you might catch a rare sight: snowflakes drifting down through the open oculus to the marble floor below. For a peaceful experience, visit these landmarks early in the morning or late in the afternoon. The soft winter light during these times adds a magical touch to your visit. Remember, every stone in Rome has a story, so take your time exploring these iconic landmarks. After a day of sightseeing, nothing warms you up like authentic Roman cuisine. Rome's winter months are a culinary paradise, offering a selection of comfort food that will make your taste buds dance. Let's start with supply, a delicious snack of deep-fried risotto balls filled with gooey mozzarella, a perfect treat to warm your hands and stomach on a chilly Roman day. You can find these golden orbs of deliciousness at any local trattoria or street food stalls. Next on our list is the classic carbonara. A traditional Roman pasta dish, carbonara is a creamy concoction of eggs, pecorino cheese, guanciale, and black pepper. It's a hearty dish that will fuel you up for your next adventure in the Eternal City. Remember to enjoy it with a glass of local red wine for the full Roman experience. And don't forget to try the roasted chestnuts. These humble nuts are a winter staple in Rome, sold by street vendors in quaint little paper cones. Their sweet, nutty aroma fills the air, adding to the city's magical winter charm. When it comes to dining etiquette, Romans appreciate a relaxed and leisurely meal. So take your time, savor every bite, and don't hesitate to ask for recommendations. And remember, it's vino rosso for red wine and vino bianco for white. Food is not just nourishment, it's an essential part of the Roman experience. So, indulge in these winter delicacies. Winter in Rome isn't just about sightseeing and food. It's also a time for unique events and celebrations. As the city decks itself in festive lights, the Roman Christmas markets spring to life. Here, you can shop for handcrafted gifts, try out traditional sweet treats, and immerse yourself in the jovial atmosphere. Then, as the year draws to a close, Rome's skyline illuminates with the spectacle of New Year's fireworks. The city's iconic landmarks provide the perfect backdrop for this dazzling display, making it an unforgettable experience. There are also a variety of winter events, from art exhibitions to live music concerts, that showcase the rich culture of the city. Navigating these events is quite simple. They're usually well advertised, and locals are more than happy to share details. Just remember to dress warmly and be ready for some walking. Attending these events will give you a taste of Roman winter culture, so don't miss out. And that's a glimpse of Rome in winter, a season of wonder, warmth, and unforgettable experiences. We've sauntered through snow-dusted landmarks, indulged in heartwarming Roman delicacies, and reveled in unique winter events. Perhaps you have your own favorite Roman winter tales to tell? Stay tuned for our next adventure as we leave the cobbled streets of Rome for the ethereal beauty of the northern lights in Iceland. Until then, keep exploring and remember, the world is full of must-wander places.